Here today, we're back with another video, and today we're playing Smashy City. My friend was playing this game, and I was thinking, hey, this seems like a good game to play. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it. So I'm guessing it's like Smashy Road. Like the cops come after you. Okay, smash buildings for rampage meter. All right, doing that. Kaboom, kaboom, kaboom. Oop, got a coin. Okay, guys. We are King Kong. We are King Kong right now, guys. This is so awesome. Leave a comment down below if you want to. I mean, it doesn't really matter. Oh, one hit strike. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, guys, this is getting out of hand. I'm like, are they shooting at me? Are you shooting at me? Well, I must step on you, you little booties. Okay, oh, nope, that's not gonna happen. I'm gonna step on all you guys. Hey, leave a comment down below if you've ever played this. Oh, I died. Leave a comment down below if you've ever played this game. Okay, free gift. Cool. 107 coins. Ooh, hatch a monster. What a... I got a wolf. Or a hairy. Or it looks like a cat. What is it? Let's look at all the characters. There's Kong, Claire, Bob, Lewis, Pete, Sylvester, Gary, Sylvester Stone, Percy, Grizzly Bear, Harry, Allison, Matthias, Nellie, Amy, Patricia, Terry, and what's that one? Surcharge. Okay. Oh, what's exotic? I want to look at the exotic. Okay. Alright, gotcha. Go back. Alright, time to do another thing with Harry the Wolf. Alright, guys, we need some awesome music going on. Okay. Donut shop. I want some donuts. Give me some donuts. Okay, guys, this is awesome. Oh my god, that was awesome, guys. Okay, yeah. Sorry I haven't posted a video in a while. It's been kind of rough these past couple of days. Alright. Get this guy. Get the helicopter. Gotcha. Okay. Ooh, is this a school? Not anymore. But I step on this fountain. Flatten the fountain. Get all these guys. Get the tank. Get the tank. How can a bullet hurt me? Okay, I need to get out of here. I don't need to destroy anything. I need just to start running. I need to just be running. I need to get out of here. It's like dodge the bullet. Like it's like dodgeball, but you're playing dodge the bullet. Oh, come on. I need a rampage beater so I can just go through all these buildings. Come on. Alright, I'm gone. I'm out of here. Here, I can just step on those, yeah. Alright, okay, I'm out here. I'm getting out of here. Guys. Okay, guys, we're going to Vegas, guys. We're going to Vegas, guys. I bet $5 I'm gonna die. Yep. I'm dead. Okay. In the doghouse. Okay, free gift. Okay. Hatch a monster. Hey, we got Gary. Awesome. I'm gonna use that guy. Use Gary. Yo, what's up? It's Gary. I'm SpongeBob's older sister, and I like being a lobster. And being a lobster is like super cool. Okay, this is kind of free. What does it say on the, oh, it's just squiggles. Beach. There's a beach. Beach. I want to go back to my home in the water. Can I go back to my home in the water? I'm going this way. Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces passing around. Na 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 na, and I need you. Na 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 na, and I want you. Na 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 na, na 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 na. Dun 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 dun. Just kicking him behind me. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Okay. Alright. Oh, destroy the coffee house. All those inner city girls who can't they can't even kill all their Starbucks. Okay. Gotta go over here. Destroy all these fountains. Get all my water stuff back. Do I have like a special ability, like if I double tap or no? Oh no, I died. Oh no. Lobster danger. A free gift in 2 minutes or 2 months. Insurance claim expected. Oh, that sucks. Is this like a military base? And I'm proud to be an American. Alright. I should just okay, let's just stay inside here. Let's just stay inside the military base. See how long I survive. Like, just wait for all of them to just pile out. Then I'm just gonna go whomp them. Oh, this is so gonna be awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna stay on this side so they can't even get me. You ready, guys? Alright, 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is like, that was such anticlimactic. Okay, nope, never mind. This is actually really cool. Alright, there's a bunch of tanks up here. Dodge all these bullets. Come on. Okay, why are they all launching the same thing? Shouldn't tanks launch like different things, like missiles at me instead of bullets? Or are those missiles? I just don't know. They just look like bullets. Need to make a path. Alright. Dun 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 dun. Alright, guys, I'm at 4 stars right now, and I'm about to die. Doing the little zigzag to escape all the alligators. Oh my god, look at behind me. I just have a huge trail of death behind me. Okay, I wonder where I am. Am I in America? It looks like I'm in, okay, I died. Lobster danger, free gift. Do I just get 89 coins or something every time? Who I get? Ooh, Sergeant Miller. Cool. Okay, let's do this. Dun 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 dun. Do you have a special? Like when it comes to your rampage meter? Okay, I'm gonna go over here and start destroying a whole bunch of buildings. Okay, I need to just destroy these. I want to see his attack because he has drills for hands. I want to see how those like actually come into play. Because he's knocking down these buildings like they were nothing. Alright, rampage. Oh, that's cool. Oh, he's a transformer. That's really cool. I really like that. I really like Sergeant Miller. He's like the bad version of Optimus. And I'm about to die. Oh, I have 4 hearts instead of 3. Dude. Oh, I died. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh. 4,439,900 in repairs. Yeesh. Well, guys. 1 second. Let this stupid ad play. Okay. Well, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. There will be a second video. I really like this game. So, guys, if you like this video, punch the like button and like a ladder. And bye-bye.